How to check if your Samsung phone is original or refurbished. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look up for a method on how we can check if our Samsung device is original or not. So in order to do that, you just need to follow some steps. But before following those steps, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe option. So first thing first, you need to open your settings of your device. After opening your settings, just scroll down until you get to About Phone. Just tap on About Phone settings, and here you need to tap on the settings information. After tapping on it, just see the phone. Here you see the phone status. So what you can do is just tap on this. You can see it says official, which means your phone is original. If it doesn't say official, then that means your phone is not real or it is refurbished. So this is one of the method. Another method is just get back and copy the IMEI number of the device. You may just copy the code and get to a website on your browser that says IMEIcheck.com. Just check of IMEI free, just tap on that option. After tapping on and enter the 15 digits code, just copy it and check your IMEI. After that, you need to verify yourself. In order to do that, just go along with the process, and after that, you should be able to know if your phone is original or refurbished. So therefore, by following this method, you can check if your phone is original or refurbished of Samsung. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.